In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going on the Epic Games website and clicking on your profile up here. You're then going to click on Account, and it should launch up to something like this. You're then going to go on to Password and Security and scroll down to two-factor authentication. If you have not verified your email yet, you're going to do that before you are able to do two-factor authentication. So once I wait for the email to send, I am going to verify it and everything should be good. Then I'm going to scroll down once again to the two-factor authentication and set it up. There's 3 different options. I'm going to set it up using an authenticator app. So once you actually have the authenticator app downloaded, you can use Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or other apps that are compatible. I'm just going to use the Authenticator app, and you're going to scan the QR code. Now, once that is done, the security code should be shown up on your phone. I'm going to type it in, and then the app will be set up. That's really all there is to it. You can do the same for email or SMS code, but the Authenticator app is usually what people use. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.